Saturday morning. It is day 3 after the hurricane. 2. I can't even. I've lost track.
Well, today's Saturday.
Hurricane hit Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, 2 days out. Anywho, we're headed back to Brian and Christina's. There's supposed to be a whole crew there today. So we're going to get their yard all cleaned up and their shed cleaned out. And all the little things that they want done.
Yeah.
Help give a little peace of mind.
Right. Can't get him back to Holt, but we're trying to get as close as we can.
Anyway, when I closed out the video last night, what I forgot to say was I was so full from eating. So they had steaks and crab legs in their freezer when the hurricane hit. So we cooked all that up last night. Man, that was good.
It was really good. It's a mess. But it was
We
good.
were eating late, and boy were we tired trying to cook it all, but it was fantastic once it got done. But anywho, today is going to be a clean up, pick up, and put things back in place type of day. And if we see anything cool, we'll share it with you.
Right.
Anything you want to add, Ange? She's really quiet this morning, isn't she?
I am. It's early.
It's early. It's 9:53.
Talk to baby. Have you been telling them about Baby Badger or anything?
A little bit, but not a lot. You can tell them more.
So they got their generator. Sonny helped them get the generator going, but then there was no gas anywhere nearby. So James had reached out and said, "Hey, can we come to you guys and get gas?" Because he's like, I spend hours upon hours, and driving to a place that has gas, and then
Waiting in line.
And they have no water too. I don't know if you guys realize that or not, but so no power, no water. And she's been working because she's like, they have electricity and water and stuff because where she works at is by the hospital, and it's the river district area, so they're all up and going and operating in that area. So she's like, I might as well just go to work because it's cooler.
Cooler.
Food.
There's food and water.
But she's like, they need showers, and so today she works from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. both their jobs, and so tomorrow I'm hoping that they come by and see us, come down and give them as much gas as we possibly can, and cans, and so that they could take back in a hot shower. But that's it for them. Vay has power back on, no Wi-Fi yet, but at least she's got power. And
Everybody's doing fine.
I'm driving around though, and I'm like, we were so lucky this area. Of course, obviously we haven't been outside of Port Charlotte area, but other than near the water where the surge came in, everybody's good. There's not all the trash and stuff in the yards, and it's just so much different from Hurricane Ian. Because that was really devastating. I did ask Des, because she was with us when we did Hurricane Ian. Remember, she was in the U-Haul truck riding around and helping out, and I said, so they're in St. Pete, what's it like there? Would you compare it to Hurricane Ian? She said, I think it's worse. So they already had that devastation from before, and then from the Hurricane
This just stacked on top of it.
Milton just added to it. So yeah, today we're just gonna help out with them and get them going good, and then we'll sit down and figure out where else, if there is any place else that we can help, and be a part of.
We're exhausted too, though.
Yeah, we got Karen and James coming in from Ireland. She's excited, been chatting with me, so she's coming in on Monday. So yeah, we'll just see. Anyways, okay, we'll get here and see what all we can get done
today.
Hopefully, get it all done. Here we go. Here's some.
Clean it up.
Yeah. But this road even looks so much better than it did.
Yeah.
So, all right.
All right, guys. I'm exhausted. I know everybody's exhausted. And Brian hurt his arm, so he's one arm in it now. And we got pretty much everything done. The garage all pressure washed out, the little shed all pressure washed out, everything put up nice, dry, clean. pressure washed all around the house, got all the debris cleaned up around the house. All that's left is the inside, and that of course the contractors will do. So I feel like they're feeling a little better about everything. Tomorrow the plan is to go and see if we can help Des. So Des is wore out and tired, and they have no power, and they have no water, and they have no gas. So they're struggling finding gas. You have to go stand in line for hours. So tomorrow we're going to load up, fill up all our gas cans here, take them up to her. She doesn't have any gas in her car, so we're going to fill up her car, and then we're going to leave them some cans to run their generator. And yeah, that sounds like fun, don't it? Anyway, that's tomorrow's mission. But today's mission is just to take a shower and kick back, relax, find some food, and try to recover a little bit, because I know we're all just pooped. We're too old for this shit. Anyway, we'll catch up with you guys here in a few. All right, we're all cleaned up, and Florida's back to normal. We're at a little place called Beef O'Brady's here in Deep Creek, and they've got live music. That's just kind of the way Florida rolls, right? Hurricane 2 days ago, people out listening to live music tonight. Resiliency at its best. Anywho, so Monday we get the Irish. The Irish are flying in, so they'll be with us all next week. Then we've got our trip to the Keys, and then we have our cruise. So we're still pretty busy for the next 2 or 3 weeks. I'm looking forward to right after November, when everything gets a little calmer, a little more chill. Lots of people, well, lots of noise behind me. Anyway, that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's a really short video today, but not much to tell you. We survived, and now we're just kind of trying to clean up and get everything kind of back to normal. Brian and Christina are really close to being cleaned up. They're not back to normal for a couple months by the time they have their whole house redone, but I think they're feeling a little better about getting some of this other stuff done, which will help them sleep better at night, and they'll be with us for a little while. Anywho, that's it. The end. We'll see you tomorrow.